Hello, hi, good evening, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, AK, your maths buddy, and this is your Professor AK. Sorry for this. Okay, in the previous video, the previous lecture, we have started with the multiplication of the matrices. We have given enough theory to solve the problems, but we didn't solve any kind of problem. So, I think we have done one only a basic example of this multiplication of the matrices. Okay, let us start with this example session. Before going moving to the example, I would like to share one or two things for you people with you people. It's like just wait for a second. Okay, it is a multiplication of matrices. So the rule is number of columns of A should be equal to the number of columns of B. I hope the people know this one. I think you people are good with this one. Okay, and the second one is in the addition, the both matrices should have been be having the same order, but in multiplication that doesn't matter. The only rule which works in the multiplication is number of columns of A should be equal to the number of columns of B. Because why I'm stressing on this for rule is what is happening now when you are in CT or in JAA, you might get such kind of questions. They might give one two matrices where they will say to five what is the answer of this or none of the above. Okay, at that time, if you know this formula means if they are giving a different kind of matrix which you cannot able to find the answer means at that time this rule might helpful for you. Okay, or they will give you two matrix and saying that what is the outcome of this matrix, what should be the order of the outcome of the matrix. Okay, so please be ready with that. We have completed this one example matrix. Okay, here it is. Okay, let us start with one more example. So people can easily understand what is matrix and what is uh, this one. Okay, there is a previous just for a second. Hmm. See, we are going to solve this example. Okay, what is this? What they have given is please try to write this one. This is a C matrix. I think I need to zoom in like C matrix and D matrix. They have given this this set to solve a CD matrix. Okay. First, whenever you are getting any kind of matrix you are seeing, no, try to write the order of the matrix. Okay. Hmm. Think I need to put one underline here so we can able to see this what is going to happen. Okay. This is an important thing. For C, how many rows are there? Here there are one rows and there and two rows are there. Okay. How many rows are there? Two rows are there and three columns are there. But in the D, there are one, two, three. One, two. Okay. Here, three rows are there, two columns are there. Okay. Here, see, when you applying this rule, here the number of columns are three. You can see this one, two, three. The number of rows in the D is one, two, three. Okay. I hope you people are getting this one. Hmm. I hope you people are getting this one. The number of columns and the number of rows are equal to this, so you can find a C into D matrix. And one more thing I would like to say, when you are finding this matrix, this 3 and this 3 getting eliminated or nullified, and the resultant matrix you will get this one. The resultant matrix you will get is a 2 into 2 matrix. Okay, people can see here. We'll see this one is a what is C here. Hmm. For example, C is 1 minus 1 2, it is 0 3 4, and D is 2 minus 1 7 7 1 minus 4. People, please recheck these numbers with your modules, so nothing is going to miss, because if it is changing to plus 1 or minus 1 means we are going to change the entire answer. Okay, we will start. Okay, before writing any kind of this, try to write it. This is the order of the matrix within that. So we'll get, and we need to find a C into D, which will be 2 into 2 matrix. Okay, first step, what we need to do, sir? Okay, we need to multiply this C into D matrix. How is going to multiply? The number of rows into the number of columns. Okay, see, first you need to multiply this entire C into this row with this column. Okay, I'm going to say first 1 into 2, and you are moving in this direction. You cannot multiply this with the same direction. Okay, 1 into 2 is 1 into 2. After completing the every each element, you need to add them, and minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 2 into 7. Okay, when you complete the entire row with this entire column, now you should shift with this entire row with this entire second column. Okay, here you can see, now when you complete this first column, you need to do this entire row with this entire column. Okay, so that when you are shifting from this column to this column, you need to leave a space, so you can understand this is a completely different element. Okay, 1 into 7 plus minus 1 into 1 plus this 2 into minus 4. I'm putting one more bracket for this. Okay, you completed this row with this column and this column. Okay, now you need to go with the other row. When you are going for the other row, if it is a second row, you need to write in second row. Okay, the simple thing is, right, see here, if it is first row, you need to multiply any number and you need to write in this first row. If you are multiplying first row and first column, you need to write in first row, first column. If you are multiplying in second column, you need to write in second column. That's it. Okay, nothing is rocket science here. We will start with this one, second row, with this first column. Okay, 0 into 2, something like a 6, 0 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 7. Hope you people understand. When you complete this first column, you are multiplying this the same row with the second column, then you need to write, okay, this second row with this second column. I think you people are getting this one is a, looks like a fair, but still it is fair. Okay, 0 into 7 plus, you need to add plus, cannot add sir, you cannot say that, sir, here minus is there, can I add minus here? No, you just take the minus inside of the bracket, and you should keep the plus there itself. Okay, 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 4. I hope you people are getting this one. Don't look at the question again, so people might confuse, getting confusion. Okay, 1 into 2 is a 2, minus 1 into minus 1 will become plus 1, plus 1 as it is will become plus 1, and here 2 into 7 will become 14. 1 into 7 will become 7. Minus 1 into plus minus 1 will become minus 1 here. Minus 1 into minus 1 will become minus 1. Minus into minus plus will become minus 1. And again the same thing, 2 into minus 4 will become minus 8. Plus into minus will become minus 8. 0 into 2 is 0. 3 into minus 1 is a minus 1. Minus 1 minus into plus will become minus. 4 into 7 will be a 28. So again 0 into 7 will become a 0. And 3 into 1 become 3. Since there is no minus, you can directly put a positive sign and write as C. And here 4 into 4 will become 16. Minus into this plus will become minus 16. And the final answer is 2 plus 1 plus 14 is a 17. Two sevens are. Oh my god. Just wait for the changes, guys. I think we made a mistake here itself. This one is a question which has 5 here and we wrote 7. No worry, we'll just edit something. Okay, 2 5s are. This will always come in this one. This 2 into 5 it will become. This will also become. Here also it will become 5. Okay, and if it is here 5 means it will become 10. And here you can see 2 5s are 10. Here you can see 4 5s are 20. So the answer which you are getting is, just I will come back to this one itself for white itself, because white looks good in this blackboard. 2 plus 1 is will become 13, and 7 minus 1 minus 8 will become minus 9. You can see 7 minus 9 will become minus 2. You can use a calculator as well. Plus 20 and minus 1 will become 19. Then we made a mistake here also. 0, it is minus 3. Minus 20 will become 17. 0 minus 11 will become minus 8. Just wait for guys. It is a 16. It is. I hope you people know that 4 into 4 is a minus 16. And how much you will get is minus 16 plus 3 will become minus 13. So we will copy this one. Okay, we will go through the previous page where you will get your answers. Here you can see here itself you can see this 13 minus 2 17 minus 13. 13 minus 2 17 minus 13. We will see here itself 13 minus 2 17 minus 13. Hope you people it is getting cleared for you people. If you have anything means, as I said, please ping me in the what is it, Telegram group. Okay. Next we will moving for the other example. Example number is 12. It is a is equal to 6 9 2 3 and b is equal to 2 6 0 7 9 8. The one thing I said is when you will get your matrix, it is a 2 into 2 matrix and it is a 2 into 3 matrix. Since this and this two will become same, what they have asked is AB, the order of this AB will become 2 into 3. Okay, you already got your answer. Let us try to solve this question. Need to change this app, man. This is continuously hanging. I don't know what's wrong with this. It is good that only this side of this. Okay, we'll start with this one. We'll going in this direction and this one. Okay, the number of columns here is 2. The number of rows here is 2. Okay, just the order will be same. As I said, whenever we will start from the first row itself, we will multiply first column, second column, third column. Okay, first we will start with the first row. 6 into 2 it is, plus 9 into 7. Since you completed this first column, you need to do with the second column, so you need to leave some gap, so it will represent that this is the answer for the second column. Okay, 6 into 2, no, should start with here itself. 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9 it is. Again we need to leave some gap. 6 into 0 plus 9 into 8. Okay, and now we will start from the second row. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. Okay, we completed this for second. We have started from the second row. We completed this first column. Now we will move to second column. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. The third one is 2 into 0 plus 3 into 8. The answer is 6 2 is 12 plus 9 7 is 63. 6 6 is 36 plus 9 9 is 81. 6 0 is 0 plus 9 9 is 81. 72 it is. 2 2 is 4 plus 3 7 is 21. 2 6 is 12 plus 3 9 is 27. 2 0 is 0 plus 3 8 is 24. I hope you people are getting this. 12 plus 63 will become 75. 36 plus 81 will become 117. 0 plus 72 will be a 72. 4 plus 21 will be a 25. 12 plus 27 is a 39. 0 plus 24 will be a 24. I hope you people got this. What is this order of this matrix? If you see the order matrix, it consists of 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 into 3. Whatever I have written here, it is as same as that. Okay, guys, the thing is big thing in this chapter. This is not a complex chapter. This is a very interesting chapter. So please be careful while doing the sums. Okay, you need to start with the first row. Okay, you need to multiply this first row with the first column. When you completed this first row and first column, you need to go with this first row and second column. If it is completed, first row with the third column. Whenever you are changing the column, please try to leave some gap. Whenever you are changing the row, the first row and second row should be behind that. Okay, if your first row is on the first line, your second row should be on second line. Okay, should be behind that. Let us see what is given in the same answer we got. This is, since it is a white color, it doesn't appear on this screen. Okay, yes guys. Mm. Mm. Here they have given some kind of what is this? Some kind of theory. We will see what is this theory, what they have given. We will move forward again. Okay, If AB is defined, then BA is not need to be defined. The above example, AB is defined, but BA is not defined because B has a 3 columns, while A has only 2 columns and not 3. If A and B are respectively M into N and K into L, then both AB, the AB and B are defined. If and only if N is equal to K, L is equal to M. In particular, if A and B are square matrices of the same order, then AB and BA are defined. See, what they were saying is, see here you can say this is a 2 into 2 matrix. This is a 2 into 3 matrix. What they said is AB. AB means you need to know. So see here the number of columns are 2, the number of rows are 2. So it is a divisible matrix. It can be multiplied. But the order we got is 2 into 3 matrix. But if they would say do a B into A, this is impossible because the number of columns of A should be equal to the number of rows of B, or a second matrix. Okay, here the number of columns are 3, here it is, and here the number of rows is 2, so it is not defined. Okay, so you are multiplying this one, you will start from here, you are going here, this one there will be insufficient for one number. Okay, it is not defined. This is what they are trying to say. And one more thing is, what they are saying is they have taken this 2 into 2 m into n, or see here, I need to erase this one first. If you consider here as a m into n and they consider this as a k into l, this can only be possible when m is equal to k and n is equal to l. Means the both matrix should be a square matrix. Either it is a 2 into 3 matrix, or it can be a 3 into 3 matrix. Only in that scenario AB and BA you will get the answer. But if it is not a square matrix, if it is a different matrix, the order of the both matrix is different, then you should follow the rule. And if the rule is satisfied, you can do this, or else you will directly note as a non-defined. Okay, or else if this A and B both are a square matrix, either in terms of 2 into 2 or 3 into 3 or 4 into 4, and then you can able to get AB is equal to BA. At that time you will get this rule. Okay, the simple thing they have repeated. Here you can see, I would like to highlight some point. If both the AB are square matrices of the same order, then both AB and BA are defined. Okay. Non-commutative. Commutativity of multiplication. What do you mean by commutative? AB is equal to BA. The same thing. Now we shall see by an example. Even if AB, BA are both defined, it is not necessary that is AB and BA. See, first of all, here it is not a proper matrix here. Okay, 2 into 3. You can see here it is a 2 into 3 matrix, and this one is a 3 into 2 matrix. But you can see the number of columns are 3, number of rows are 3 here. You can do the AB, but you cannot find the BA. Okay. If we decide this one is see here you can see. First we will try to write this question. Later on, A, what is it? It is 1 minus 2, 3, it is minus 4 to 5, and B is the B is a 2 4 2 and 3 5 1. Okay, see first Whenever you will write the matrix, I will like to say this, write the order of the matrix. It is 2 into 3 and it is 3 into 2. Now you need to find AB. The AB, the order of the matrix is 2 into 2 will get. Okay, this is simple. Now we will start with 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Okay, we have started from this row like this column itself. Okay, and we completed this till first column. We will move to second column, so we will leave some gap and write 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. Okay, we completed this first column. Now we will start with the second row. Minus 4 into 2 or 2 into 4 plus 4 it is, and 5 into 2. Okay, in this we are going shifting to the second column. We need to leave some gap. A minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Okay, 1 into 2 is a 2. Minus 2 into 4 will become minus 8. Since it is plus, we will consider minus 8 plus 3 into will be 6. 6 it will become 3 ones are minus 2 into plus 5 it will become minus 10. Minus into plus will become minus. 3 into 1 will become 3. Minus 4 into 2 will become minus 8. Plus 2 into 4 will become plus 8. Plus 5 into 10 will become 10. Okay, minus 4 into 3 will become minus 12. Plus as it is 2 into 5 will become 10. Plus as it is 5 into 1 will become 5. The answer you got is 2 plus 6, 8 minus 8 will become 0. Okay, 3 plus 3 will become 6 minus 10 will become minus 4. Here see this 8 and this 8 gone, the leftover is 10. Here 10 plus 5 will become 15 minus 12 will become 3. Okay, this is what we find AB. Okay, they said to find BA as well. Okay, what do you mean by BA? See, I will write here itself. What is the number of columns? How many columns are there? 2. How many rows are there? 3. Since it is going to satisfy 3 into 2, we will get this as a 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, please be careful, guys. We'll start from here itself. This is a BA. Start from different color itself. This is BA. Be careful here. First we will start from here itself and we will move towards here. Okay, 2 into 1. I hope it is better if I write the example. This one is again B. What is B? 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 1. And A is 1 minus 2, 3, 4, 2 to 5. It could be easy for me itself. So people can able to easily understand. Okay, BA, it will get a 3 into 3 matrix as I said. No, how many rows are there? 2 into 3 matrix it is. 3 rows are there here. So 3 into 2, and this one is a 2 into 3 matrix. This 2 and this 2 getting cancelled, we will get a 3 into 3 matrix. Be careful, guys. We'll start from this direction in this direction. Okay, 2 into 1 will become 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. Since we completed this first column, we are moving to second column. 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. We are going to move to the third column. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Yeah, we have completed this first one. We are just will move to second row itself. Second row here, 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. 4 guys it is. And here 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. Here it is 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Okay, we will start with this third row. Third row itself, 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. 1 into minus 4 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. And again in third column it is 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. Need to close. I think I hope you find this here itself. 2 into 1 will become 2 plus 3 minus 4 will become minus 12. Plus into minus will become minus 12. 2 into 2 is a minus 4 plus 3 into 2 is a 6. 2 into 3 is a 6 plus 3 5 is a 15. And 4 into 1 will become a 4. Minus into minus will become a minus. 4 into 5 will become 20. Here 4 into minus 2 is a minus 8 plus 5 into 10 is a plus 2. 4 3 is a 12 plus 5 is a 25. 2 into 1 will be a 2. 1 minus 4 it is. Minus 4 here plus 2 here. 2 3 is a 6 plus 5. See guys, minus 12 plus 2 will become minus 10. It will be a plus 2. And here it is 66 plus 15 is a 21. Yeah, either you can write plus or 2. It doesn't matter. Minus 20 or plus 4. Whenever it is minus, you should write minus. Minus 10 plus 12 will become 2 again. 25 plus 12 become 37. And 2 minus 4 will become minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 will become again the minus 2. 6 plus 5 will become 11. Okay. 3 rows and 3 columns are there. You can check with your answers in this book. 2, 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 21, 37, 11. Okay. I hope, see, here we got AB, we got BA here. See, here we got BA here, we got AB here. But still, since it is not a square matrix, so AB are not equal to BA. Okay, this is the main thing. If it is a square matrix, we would get AB is equal to BA. The exact numbers we will get in the BA itself. It looks like a mirror image of the AB. Okay, so be careful with this one, guys. We will come to an end of this session. We have discussed some three examples and some definition in this module. Okay, we will again meet in the next video and try to solve some examples so people can familiar with the multiplication, how it is going and how it is working. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for your support. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye. Please share, like and subscribe on our channel and share with your friends as well. Okay, bye.